to check it. So this was the best VR apps available on Play Store for 2018. Thanks for watching this video guys. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and do subscribe this channel for more tips and tricks, and I will see you in the next one.